This video demonstrates how to locate and search the Federal Income Taxation of Corporations Filing Consolidated Returns Treatise. There are 3 ways to find treatises on Lexis Advance. Type all or part of the title into the red search box, if known, and choose the title from the word wheel. You will be taken directly to the table of contents for the treatise. For the second search method, choose Explore Content, Practice Area or Industry, and then Tax Law. Within Secondary Materials, choose Federal Income Taxation of Corporations Filing Consolidated Returns. Finally, to access through the search finder, click Browse, Sources, type in all or part of the title, choose the current title from the drop-down list, and click the magnifying glass. The results list for the search in Sources will surface both the treatise and the index for the treatise. Click on the eye icon to the far right to read a description of the treatise. Federal Income Taxation of Corporations Filing Consolidated Returns is a comprehensive tax planning guide providing deep analysis of all intercompany transactions and their tax implications. It also includes tax computation guidance and all pertinent IRS rulings and memos. Access to the table of contents is available from the description. You can save your selected treatise as a favorite by clicking on the star to the right of the treatise title. The treatise is now available as a filter in your favorites pod on the landing page. There are 3 ways to navigate or search a treatise. In the red search box, you can input search terms and search all of the documents within the treatise or just the table of contents. You can also limit your search to specific chapters or sections. The table of contents may be browsed in lieu of a keyword search. Scroll down and use the plus symbols to expand the table of contents for full viewing. When you're in a treatise section, you can click on the Table of Contents tab for a truncated side-by-side view of the table of contents and the document section. To view more than one consecutive section of the treatise, click on the previous or next links to flip the full text pages of the treatise forward and backward in sequence. The Search Document field can be used to full text search the document. Footnotes are easy to review by clicking the numbered footnotes links. Clicking the link again returns you to the treatise passage. To create a hyperlink to a specific treatise passage, choose Actions and then choose Link to this page. A citation to the treatise passage can be automatically generated by clicking the Copy Citation button. All the delivery options for Lexis Advance are available for treatises. As you scroll down, note that the treatise contains links to all references to primary law in Lexis Advance, including the Internal Revenue Code, administrative tax documents, and examples of how to file returns. LexisNexis is the exclusive provider of over 800 Matthew Bender treatises, as well as those from other publishers, with the same search and navigation functions.